This is a typical story of an entrepreneur. You have an idea. You launch. But no one really cares and you fail. So you do it again and again and again. You fail a bunch of times. But you've learned a lot from your mistakes. Finally, you use all of the stuff you've learned over the past 10 years and you succeed big time. But why does it have to be this way? We know this story too well because our entrepreneurial journey was just like it. We failed a bunch of times. And then we went on to build some awesome startups. But we believe failing sucks. If the only benefit of failing is learning, wouldn't it be better to learn before you fail? That's why we started Pitchblak, to help you avoid the mistakes we made so you can get it right the first time. You don't have to go it alone, you just need to start up right.